Hey guys, welcome back to the Rush Truck Trophy Truck Build Part 9. We're onto the front end now. In the last section we organised all the front and now we've tacked all them in place and double checked and triple checked all the measurements from side to side. Make sure everything's square and everything's lined up. Beautiful. Now on the front, I've just done a few of these bars, but again, run off your map. These two tubes here go in after you put these in. So these 2.5 inches go in, leave these out, bring them in, tack them in like I have now. But before you bring them in, these are the sliders you have to put on. These are going to hold your two front arms. So they sit there. Oops. And that one there sits up there. So now the measurements for these, we do that later on, but we run a tape measure, a steel ruler from here to this inside edge, 4 inches up. That's your first one. Once you get your first one in, you've already got your arms made in your pack. So your front arms and your rear arm, your front arm top and bottom are already TIG welded and you're upright. So you got heim joints that sit in the arms. You bring them in, you bolt them up, and that's your spacings. Those arms we make are off a jig, so they're exactly the same. So if you ever break one down the track and you need to order a new arm's going to slot straight in, so we can work those measurements out later. So then you tack this in, and that all lines up nice and straight. You get your front bar, your 2 inch, you measure halfway, you line that up halfway there. And then we've got a spirit level, your digital level there, put it on there for 0. Remember the table's at 0. Just to double check too, but the digital one down the line is trying to tape off of that, as long as you know your floor's square to get your spacings right. And then these two, again on your map, it's going to tell you which ones go which, because they go left to right. And there's a big difference, so if it doesn't fit, you know you just got it left or right, that's alright, which is pretty cool. So those ones there, just go in there. Look at that. Like that. Beautiful. We can get a nice welding around there. And this one here as well. Nice welding, and of course that one there goes in there. Right there, I need another hand, but that's right. That's cool. And that's the front. Thanks for watching. We're going to move on to the back next and do the back sort of half frame and pull our diagonals in. So that's episode 10. And if you want to check out more, our website is www.rushtruck.com, and that's going to have all these videos, .com.au. It's going to have all the videos and photos on it, so you can have a look on there. Thanks for watching.